Thank God we have wooden masts that are straight down to the keelson, because we just snapped the top of our main mast. At least we have the mast and the top mast, which is an extra piece of wood. So I was like, that snaps off. It's not the mast. Sacrificial mast. Rescue mission. Look at this. It's a sunny, windy day, which is going to be perfect for us to go up the island. Up our front right now, and there is a dolphin in the bay, and what better way to start a day than to see dolphins. Perfect way to testing out our rigging, and we have just set on board. Hey. No, we're gonna go and do the exact millimeter work of how we came in here, because the last thing we want to do now, especially with this wind, is get stuck. We're just trying to get out of sand right now, okay?
Are we stuck on sand?
Yes. But let's just get past this first and I'll be way more relaxed.
I'm squatting here trying to escape the wind so you hear me. The wind is super strong. We're still not opening the sails because we need to dodge here the mussel farm, and we have to go very close to the rocks, so it's not really ideal to open the sails now. As soon as we leave this farm and the rocks and the sandbanks, we're gonna open the sails and enjoy this beautiful, sunny, windy day. Right, Caillou?
I don't know if you can see the change in the color of the water over there, but we can see the sandbanks, and they're like a meter, you know, meter depth. We're staying well away from them, and we're following the exact course we came in. We made it! We're out! My gosh, you found something. Ah, don't let the dogs eat it. This is the day we've been waiting for. Sun, strong south winds. We're gonna go offshore, which is the outside of the island, to really test out the boat. 25 knots, so one sail at a time. Hey, we're officially on our way.
We are about to go between a little island and the main island of Florianópolis, and we can see they had some ruins from maybe a fortress that there was back then. Very, very cool.
These guys have been best friends for ages. Caillou even spent time on Kiwi's boat once.
We are about to pass now Ponta dos Naufragados, which is the last point here, so we can turn to the south of the island. Then we're gonna do the contour around the south of the island, and then we're gonna go to the open Atlantic side.
What does Naufragados mean?
Ponta dos Naufragados means...
Shipwright point.
Why did you have to remind me of that?
It just says on fishing mission. It is a very, what do you call it, shaped down over here. I think the waves are absolutely massive. The bowsprit has been dipping into the waves. I really hope I dip. Oh, there goes the platform under the waves. Bowsprit just went under again. We have no idea how this happened, guys. Like, we didn't even have the sails up, and I guess that is a good thing. This is a massive disaster for now. Thank God we have wooden masts that are straight down to the keelson, because we just snapped the top of our main mast. Now, I don't know how we're going to fix this yet. We've just entered, you can see behind me there, we just entered the protective area, so the waves have dropped loads. The back stay, of course, was completely loose. I've just taken that off so it doesn't destroy anything, because it's been swinging around. The mast top is actually just being held on right now by the wiring of the top light, navigation light, and the anchor light. So first thing I think we're going to do when we arrive is head up that mast and get that down. That's like safety, you know. And I can't tell you any more until we get everything down and actually inspect it, and then we'll tell you exactly what we're going to do about it, because I mean, it's a sailboat, you know, we need to be able to sail with the sails open. But yeah, everything's under control. I'm going to chuck the anchor here. Be back to let you know what happens, or at least what's going to happen. Perfect. I hope you can hear us. So we've just anchored in this nice bay, which wasn't our plan A, of course, but we're nicely sheltered. The first thing I want to do is just prevent that furling or that stay from being swinging, because that's just putting more stress on all the joints. So I'm just going to tie that down, and then when the winds dropped a bit, I'll see you, because that has to come down. For now, I don't think anyone's going to be using the port side of the deck in case it does fall. But oh my gosh, this could have been avoided. I don't know. Maybe it was my fix, maybe it was under the fix, maybe the mast was. My brain is thinking about all the possible solutions now. But let's make everything as safe as possible until the wind drops, and then we'll start doing some real work. That's stopped shaking now, so it must put a lot less stress underneath. So I think the next step for us is somehow get up and put a temporary backstay. How intense was that?
Very, very, very.
We're not very happy about what happened, but that's part of it. Well, it's not part of it. In our case, it is. Thanks for everything.
Thank you.
Thanks for the help.
Today was our first time getting this kind of sea with Yabá. Of course, we need to still learn her limits, and while we learn her limits, it's normal that, well, I can talk for myself, feel a little bit of fear and, well, break some stuff. But I think overall it was a good day, a good experience, and a good stats that we got from Yabá.
Good shakedown. We literally shook down the top of the mast. Saying it now is like other than that, it was a bit rocky and stuff was falling inside the covers, but we did pretty good. And just as I was saying, it wasn't the size of the waves, it was the short interval or the period. So they just came 6 seconds, they just slamming. Usually when it's like 12 or 14 seconds, you tend to just, you can have 3 meter waves, you can just ride them, but this case was just, anyway, we're just gonna sit here now, I think. Yeah, literally just gonna sit there and do nothing. We have to edit. We have to edit. Yeah, we've got an episode coming out tomorrow, and we've been not editing because of all these things. But anyway, Caillou wants to go for a walk. You understood the W word. Yeah. And Kiwi.
I wasn't expecting it, actually. But he remembers it.
Hi, Kiwi.
Go, go, go. Toma aqui, né?
Aham.
Yabá.
Kiwi. Kiwi. Last night, just before we actually had a good night's sleep, of course, we needed to strap everything down. So everything is strapped down with all the ropes or whatever was available. Now it's a lot calmer, so we're gonna start doing some more safer stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna climb up first and add a couple of temporary backstays, at least until we get this whole situation fixed. Luckily the shrouds are fastened underneath where it broke, you can see. They're still nice and tight. So the only problem is we can't go up because the pulley has snapped off with the mast. So we're gonna lower this sail or drop the sail and use this halyard to go up, lower the bit down that snapped off. Luckily there is a little ring up there that we can attach the middle stay to still, so that's not going to be an issue. And we're going to drop down the entire sail and lay it along the deck. I think we'll be able to continue like that if we just make sure we have enough backstay fastened onto there. So let's open this, drop it and head up.
Oh, there we go. 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3. Go. 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 Oi. Ah, tá vindo super fácil. Nossa, parece uma vaselina aqui. Tá vindo super fácil. Geralmente ela emperra. Aí. Beleza.
Okay, ready? Big pulls, go.
Okay, let's raise it.
Oi. Right. It's a bit stiff. Go.
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 Okay.
Ready?
No, not yet.
But if you pull, I'll hold for a second.
Okay, okay.
Ready? Go. Again.
Okay, let's go.
Go.
Okay.
Man, this is all so sketchy. Go. One more.
More.
Go. Okay, stop. It's just it was already an emenda. Já tava uma emenda.
Foi a emenda que tu fez?
No, foi antes. Okay, I'm gonna tie myself to the mast and then I'll give you the line.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
Okay, I'm fastened.
Entendi.
That's okay. Pode cair umas coisas.
Não, tô mais afastado aqui já por isso. A gente chama de nó carioca.
Vamos ver se a gente chega no café. Não cai na água.
Aí, né?
Tá bom.
Ok.
Outro também. Okay. Okay.
It's fine, it's fine.
Ah, fuck, the light. Where is it?
It broke and fell in the water.
That's what I was trying to save.
I can get it over.
Quick, 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 quick. Dive. Okay. Okay, you can lower it slowly.
Okay, how is it going?
Careful with the lights on the top. See? This went so nicely. Now, of course, the next step, you can see it's all open and cracked on top, which is what we want. I'll maybe cut it for now and put a layer of epoxy before we can analyze what we're going to do next. Also, the anchor light has to come back up. I had to cut the cable, unfortunately. I was trying not to, but we're going to fix that down there, make sure it works, and I'll just attach it to anything for now. I'm going to go down, sort out everything down there so it's not going to fall when we're traveling now, and also tighten these back stays so we can sort this out and tighten the... Oh, will we go sailing later? I think we'll give it a go, depending on how confident we'll feel. But very good job, Gisette and MP. Let's go down. Está descendo agora, cuidado. Okay, these backstays are looking so nice that we're almost hesitant on just keeping them like this. Of course, we'll need a bit of a chain plate, but ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not ready. Right. Go. Go. One more. Ready? Go. Muito não, mas... Nothing to be proud of, losing the tip of your mast, but I do think we did a pretty good job of this next day situation. We waited for the waves to drop, wind to drop, fastened everything securely down overnight so no one could get injured. We even made sure the dogs didn't go onto the deck. And today we slowly, calmly planned how to get everything down. The only downside was that I couldn't keep the top light or the anchor light up there, but that's going to be one of our next jobs, including probably chopping off the bit that's cracked, inspect it, and see how much of the mast is actually usable. But we need to leave this bay now because we're getting a northeast swell and wind, which is not going to protect us here. So head up the outside of the island today. As you can tell, it's a lot calmer than yesterday, and our back state is a lot stronger, or at least the mast is now broken where it wasn't strong. So let's get all this tidied up and head off.
Bem macio.
It's easier hoisting. We are off. It's so much calmer than the other day. The verdict of the backstays are going to hold really nicely. We couldn't tension them enough in order to get the sail furlings or the sails really tight. We just need to head around. There's 3 islands on the right and that's the mainland on the left. We need to go in between the mainland and the first island and head up to Campeche. Hopefully we can sleep there. If not, we'll continue up to the north of the island, which is Ponta das Canas. But hopefully, well, I think today is going to be, well, definitely is better than yesterday. We just need to see what conditions they are. But so far, like, there is big waves, but you know, the swell just really slow. How is everything so far? You like it?
Great. Amazing.
I promised him an amazing experience, but I didn't say it was going to be such a crazy, hectic experience.
It's just about boats.
I think now that we're going around the outside of the island, also we're going to go in between some island. There are some like 5 meter deep reefs which you can go close to if we want to. I think there'll be a lot more fish to catch. Where's that thingy? Here maybe I say we catch a fish here.
Can go here.
Yeah.
Sure.
How deep?
10 meters around, 3 meters actually. And then there is a rock here.
Okay, if we don't catch anything, we'll come back here one day and that's good for spearfishing.
I know, it really doesn't look like these two people just had their mask snapped off. And yeah, that sucked. But you know what? What's done is done. In moments like this, it's so easy to let frustration take over, to focus on what's gone wrong and let it ruin the day. But we chose a different path. Instead, we took the scenic route back, choosing to see the beauty around us and to be grateful for what we still have. A boat that's keeping us, our friend, and our dogs safe. Life on the water teaches you that things will break and plans will change, but how you handle it is what really matters. Sometimes, all you can do is smile, move forward, and make the best of the journey. Because why waste a good day?
Oh, many doggos. Oh my gosh.
Welcome to Campeche. This is an exclusive island that you can only get to by little boat. You can only go on the island with a guide, or at least off the beach with a guide, because there's small ruins and stuff, like ancient ruins or rock drawings. But we're going to try and anchor here, try and spend the night so we can continue north tomorrow. See what they say, but I'm really excited we made it. Anchor's ready, just says ready, the dogs are ready. Just going to find a nice little place and drop the anchor.
Lovey, can you believe we're arriving at Campeche Island with Yabá? Isn't this a dream come true?
Can't wait to see the animals. Joga pouco pra lá e eu desço. Sim, é ótimo. Perfeito. Por enquanto, neutro.
Ok, beleza.
Today's a good day to clean the anchor chain box because it's nearly empty. this is super sheltered. This place is absolutely beautiful. It's so calm compared to the swell that we had out there. It's crazy. If you look on the map, it's just a little bowl here. White beaches over there. I don't know. It's just like, I can't believe we just went from such a big swell to so little. Anyway, let's have a look at what's going on inside because I'm not alone on board. Have a look at this. Oui, chef.
Ah oui?
Oui, oui. What are you making?
A Brazilian dish with bananas and meat, so really different.
It is so epic to be here with Yabá and with Jesse and with Kiwi because life is better with friends and it's just an epic spot to be. And I really cannot believe that we are here now on board of Yabá, that we made it to this island that everyone knows is a little piece of paradise. It really feels like magic.
To be here.
Yeah. Should choose their own. I want this one. That's so cute.
Oh, it's so many nice ones.
What is this?
I don't know.
I'm gonna have it.
Aww.
This would be really cool earrings.
Cheers!
Thanks for the company.
Thank you for the company.
And of course, a big cheers to everyone who's already subscribed and liked this video. This is a well-deserved cheers to you guys.
Pling.
What's really cool about these little things, we're using plastic cups, but it sounds like glass because of it. Portuguese in Brazil is bon appetiti.
Bom apetite.